Today, maize prices across major Indian markets maintained their stability, reflecting a positive trend fueled by strong domestic demand and limited supply. In Gulabagh, prices ranged between 2,500 Indian rupees and 2,600 per quintal, while the October futures were slightly higher, trading at 2,610 Indian rupees to 2,620 per quintal. Similarly, spot prices in Bihar held steady at 2,510 Indian rupees to 2,520 per quintal. The outlook for the maize market remains positive, with expectations of steady to slightly firm prices in the near term, particularly for Bihar maize, as buyers continue to show interest. In Tamil Nadu, prices also stayed stable, trading between 2,950 Indian rupees and 3,000 per quintal in key consumption areas. Imported maize in Tamil Nadu was priced at 2,850 Indian rupees to 2,875 per quintal, with recent imports of approximately 33,000 tons being unloaded at Tuticorin port. With supply remaining tight, buyers are waiting for new arrivals expected in Karnataka next month. In Kasganj Mandi, loose maize prices were reported between 2,400 Indian rupees and 2,450 per quintal, while ex-warehouse prices traded at 2,525 Indian rupees per quintal. The market is expected to maintain its firm trend as demand remains strong from northern buyers. In the northern states, maize prices in Punjab and Haryana stood at 2,620 Indian rupees and 2,590 Indian rupees to 2,600 per quintal, respectively, showing a slight increase of 20 Indian rupees to 30 per quintal over the past week. Meanwhile, in Maharashtra, prices in the Pune and Nashik regions remained firm at 2,950 Indian rupees to 3,000 per quintal. Buyers are cautious, anticipating new arrivals in the coming month. Analysts suggest that prices are likely to remain stable to firm in the near term, with no significant upward movement anticipated. Looking forward, maize prices in Maharashtra may soften by mid-September as fresh crops begin to arrive. In the Chhindwara region, maize sowing has increased by approximately 10 to 15% compared to last year, with current prices at 2,550 Indian rupees per quintal. Across the country, maize sowing has expanded to 8.72 million hectares, an increase of 0.6 million hectares from the previous year. The growing demand from the ethanol industry is expected to support firm prices into the 2024-25 season. Last year, 4.39 million tons of maize were directed towards ethanol production, and similar demand levels are anticipated this year. In conclusion, while new arrivals may introduce some volatility, maize prices are expected to remain above 2,200 Indian rupees to 2,300 per quintal, loose, due to ongoing demand from the ethanol sector and constrained supply. Prices in Bihar, in particular, are likely to remain stable, with minimal risk of a significant downturn unless prices in Chhindwara drop considerably, given the current freight differentials and price expectations.